But in Naples, pizza isn't just baked, but also fried. The pizza was already deep fried in the 18th century, stuffed with boneless small fishes, salt and pepper. The modern fried pizza was born after the Second World War, where most of the wood-fired ovens were destroyed due to bombing, and the cheapest and fastest alternative was to fry. A mythical scene is that of Sophia Loren in the movie Golden Naples, in the role of a seductive pizza maker frying pizza in Napolitan bassi, the typical storefront level housing of Naples. Here, Gino Sorbillo is going to fry for us a traditional Napolitan Pizza Fritta. The pizza is made with the same dough of the classic one and filled with creamy ricotta, smoked provola cheese, chicory, salt and black pepper. Then it's carefully closed to ensure that all the ingredients are kept in the pizza and not drop off when it's going to be fried. Other versions can have also a Napolitan salami, a drop of tomato sauce and cook at 10. Then the pizza is masterly deep fried until it becomes golden and puffy.
Questa è la pizza fritta napoletana, è imparentata con la pizza al forno nel senso che è fatta con lo stesso impasto della pizza tradizionale che tutti quanti conoscono. Ha la forma di un cappello di pulcinella, la si può condire, imbottire come si vuole, anche con le verdure, con salami, formaggi, con bianca, con pomodoro, appunto, senza pomodoro e niente, la si strappa qui, guardate, la si addenta, all'inizio si comincia a gustare la pasta, poi il condimento si ferma nella parte appunto in basso. Buon appetito!
Let's know the different ingredients used for the pizza fritta. Ricotta. The word ricotta means recooked in Italian, and involves the reheating of the whey left over from the production of other cheeses such as mozzarella and provolone. Ricotta can be produced from the milk whey of any dairy animal, including cow, sheep, goat and water buffalo. Chicory. Chicory are obtained for the cooking of pork belly like pancetta and pressed into special forms. Salami. In Italy exists more than 100 varieties of salami, but in Naples the most used are Salami Napoli and Salami Milano. Napoli has a medium-big grind with a mild flavor, while Milano has a fine grind, a smooth texture and a sweet flavor. In the case of pizza fritta, we are going to use the classic Salami Napoli.